This is the waterfront home at the iconic Sanibel Marina that you have been waiting for, situated on one of the most sought-after locations and streets on the east end of Sanibel. Rare to market, this property has not been available for sale since 2001. A quaint and charming beach cottage decorated home that has it all and has been completely updated, including a granite and stainless kitchen, real wood floors, vaulted ceilings, and a wood-burning fireplace. LED lighting throughout. New high-efficiency air conditioner systems 2015 and 2017. New waters 2017 and 2018. House repiped in 2018. On the grounds there is a private £10,000 boat lift. A custom private dock, over 60 feet long, where the manatee regularly hang out while the snook and redfish underneath wait for their next meal. Video available upon request. A spacious free-form swimming pool to soak and cool off awaits you after a day on the boat and at the beach. Compare this home, its location, and all its updates to any in this price range. If you love Sanibel's East End, love boating, and love to walk to the beach or to Gramma's restaurant in Pinocchio's ice cream shop, then this is your home. Grab it before someone else does.